Let's break down the QuickBooks Workpost app. Is it actually worth using? If you're an employee or contractor working for a company that uses QuickBooks for payroll, this app is a game changer. It gives you 24/7 access to your pay stubs, tax forms like W-2s, and time tracking features if enabled. No more chasing down HR for documents. It's all in one place. And it's free to use for works. For employers, it reduces admin time and boosts transparency. But here's the catch. It only works if your company uses QuickBooks Payroll. And there are optional bugs and sync issues. So, is QuickBooks Workpost worth it? If your employer offers it, absolutely. It's convenient, secure, and simplifies payroll access. Just don't expect it to do everything. This app is a more of a helpful companion than a standalone solution. And that's it. Thanks for watching.